if Pluto TV here has no sound, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here. So first things first is you want to rule out or you want to check the basics first. So make sure nothing's muted, like for example your TV or monitor, your soundbar here or receiver, and the device running Pluto TV. Now check the on-screen volume slider in Pluto, so if your platform shows 1, and also verify you're not accidentally outputting to Pluto headphones or other speakers. So you may want to check your settings. Now next is you want to see if Pluto on or your device. So see if it's Pluto on your device here. So open another app like for example YouTube, Netflix, or whatever here. If those have sound, try a few different Pluto channels like VOD titles. If only Pluto is silent, keep going. So if everything is silent, focus on your device or TV audio settings. Next is you may want to force quit Pluto here. Now, when you need to use one of force quit Pluto, then restart your streaming device or TV. Now, if possible, unplug the device and your TV and soundbar or receiver here for about like 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug back in and relaunch Pluto. And also, you may want to switch the audio format here to, let's just say, to stereo or PCM. So surround or pass-through can cause silence with some streams. So set outputs to PCM or stereo and disable Dolby pass-through. Now, also you may want to check the audio track and accessibility options here. So on the Pluto player, you want to pick the primary language track if there's a choice. Turn off SAP or audio description if enabled, and make sure system accessibility audio like mono audio isn't conflicting. And also, you may want to update Pluto TV and your device system software. Now, if issues persist here, clear the app cache data or for on your Fire TV or Android TV here, or remove the channel or app. Now, reboot this device itself, then reinstall the actual app here. Now, next is you may want to inspect your connection. So if you're using like HDMI ARC or eARC to a soundbar receiver, try a different HDMI port cable or temporarily switch TV speakers to internal to test if internal works. Reconfigure the ARC or eARC or CEC on the TV and audio device. Now, if none of this actually help, it may be a regional or content-specific issue or a temporary outage here. So reach out to Pluto TV support via the app's help section or their support site with your device model, app version, and what you've tried. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.